we're going to talk about the system of linear equation. So let us first define what is a linear equation. Linear equation into two variables can be written in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and c should not be equal to 0. So kapag nakakita tayo ng ganitong form, ibig sabihin siya ay linear equation into two variables. But if meron pang additional na variables like ax plus by plus dz is equals to c, that would be linear equation into three variables. So, kaya natin siya natawag na linear equations kasi wala siyang squared or cube sa ating mga variables. So, now, tignan natin kung ano yung iba't ibang system ng ating linear equation. So, sa graphs, meron tayong linear equations or system of linear equations, two equations na nagkaroon ng intersection. Ibig sabihin, kapag ganito yung graphs ng ating linear or system of linear equation, meron tayong exactly one solutions. And it is called consistent and independent system. So, for the next one, if yung graph naman ng ating linear equation ay coincide lines or nagkapatong sila na lines, ibig sabihin, meron tayong infinitely many solutions. And this system called consistent and dependent system. So, for the last one or for the third one, we have a parallel lines if yung graphs ng ating linear equations or system of linear equations is parallel to each other, ibig sabihin, no solutions or inconsistent yung system. So now we're going to solve for the problem number 1. So, let's read first and analyze the question. We have two customers buy pens and notebooks in the same store. Customer A buy 4 pens and 3 notebooks and pays $23 in total. Customer B buys 2 pens and 5 notebooks and pays $29. Find the price of a pen and a notebook. So, pwede natin gawin dyan is yung ating pen is i-represent natin siya into x variables. So, pen is equals to x, and yung ating notebook is equals to y. Any variables naman, pwede nyo din gamitin yung first letter ng kanilang name. Like yung pen, pwede natin siyang gamitin ng notebook, P. Or yung notebook, pwede natin siyang gamitin ng N. But for this one, I'm going to use x and y. So we have 4 pens, we have 4x, plus we have 3 notebooks, so we have 3y is equals to $23. So, the next one is we have 2 pens plus 5 notebooks is equals to $29. So, ang gagawin ko sa kanya ay substitution. Since meron tayong tatlong methods para ma-solution natin yung system of linear equations. We have elimination, substitution, and graphing. But for this one, ang gagamitin natin ay substitution. So, kukuhanin ko yung value ni x, since si x yung pinakamaliit na coefficient. So, 2x is equals to, nililipat ko siya dito. So, we have 29 minus 5y. So, divide natin siya by 2. And then, we're going to have x is equals to 29 minus 5y over 2. So, hindi pa natin makukuha yung exact value ni x. Ang ginawa lang natin, i-represent lang natin si x sky y variable. So, ang susunod natin gagawin, i-rewrite ko lang dito yung x formula. So, 5y over 2. Ngayon, gagamitin natin tong value ni x sa ating first equation. Dahil kung yung second equation yung ginawa nating representation ng isang value ng variable, and then dapat yung another equation yung gagamitin nating solution para ma-solve natin yung system of linear equation. Hindi pwede na ito yung ginawa mong x and then ito dito mo rin isa-substitute sa may equation na to, or sa second equation, yung inyong nakuha value ng variable. So, we have 4x plus 3y is equals to 23. So, isa-substitute natin dito yung value ni x. So, we have 4 times 29 over 5y over 2 minus 5y over 2 plus 3y equals 23. So, 4 divided by 2, that would be 2. 29 minus 5y plus 3y equals 23. So, 2 times 29, that would be 58 minus 2 times 5, negative 5, that would be negative 10 y plus 3y equals 23. So, combine like terms, ang matitira sa atin, 58 minus 7y is equals to 23. So, additive property of equality, lilipat natin siya dito. So, we have negative 7y is equals to 23 minus 58. So, 23 minus 58, that would be negative 35. And then, copy natin to. And then, divide natin siya both by negative 7 para makuha na natin yung value ni y. So, y is equals to 5. So, sulat natin dito yung answer. Y is equals to 5. So, ayan. Now, let's solve for x. Ang gagamitin natin sa kanya ay yung kanyang formula o yung nakuha nating substitution or yung value ni y in terms of x. Ay, value ni x in terms of y. So, x is equals to 29 minus 5y over 2. So, 29 minus 5, substitute natin kay y yung 5 na value niya over 2 is equals to 29 minus 5 times 5, that would be 25 over 2 equals to 29 minus 25, that would be 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2, that would be 2. So, ito na yung ating x value. So, dahil ang sinasagutan natin ay word problem, kailangan yung ating sagot din or yung final answer natin ay word din. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng conclusion for ating final answer. So, this is the price of the pen. So, ay ng notebook. So, we have, therefore, the notebook costs $5 since dollars yung ginamit na unit doon. So, dollars din yung gagamitin natin sa ating conclusion. Hindi naman pwedeng maging peso bigla dahil hindi naman yun yung tinatanong sa ating problem. While a pen costs $2. So, ayan na yung ating solutions. So, we have the next one, we're going to go with the problem number 2. In analytic geometry class, the general equation of the circle can be written in the form of x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Find the value of a, b, and c if the circle passes through the point a, 1, 2, b, 4, 6, c, and 6, 2. Okay? So, alam natin na ang coordinates, kapag meron tayong coordinates or points, yung unang value sa kanya is yung x, and then yung pangalawang value naman ay yung y. So, we have point A. We have 1, 2. Yung 1, yung ating x value, and then yung 2 naman yung ating y na value. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Isa-substitute natin si x and y dito sa ating general equation para makuha natin yung first equation kay point A. So, 1 squared plus 1 squared. So, y is equals to 2. So, 2 squared plus ax or a times 1 plus b times 2 plus c is equals to 0. So, i-simplify lang natin to. So, 1 squared is 1 plus 4 squared plus 2 squared is 4. So, 1 plus 4, that would be 5 plus a times 1 plus 2b or pwede na natin itong isulat as A na lang. Plus C is equals to 0. So, we're going to use subtraction property of equality or additive property of equality. So, makukuha natin value ay A plus 2B plus C is equals to negative 5. So, ito na yung ating first equation. So, for second equation, gagamitin naman natin yung point B. We have 4, 6. So, ayan. So, substitute lang ulit natin yung value ni x and y sa ating general equation. So, 4 squared plus 6 squared plus 4a plus 6b plus c is equals to 0. So, 4 is 16 plus 36. That would be 16 plus 36. 52. So, 52 na to, okay? 4a, write lang natin to muna. 52 plus 4a plus 6b plus c is equals to 0. So, ngayon, ililipat lang ulit natin to dito. Itatranspose natin siya. So, we have 4a plus 6b plus c is equals to negative 52. So, ito na yung second equation natin. We're going to do na yung ating last equation para masagutan na natin yung system of linear equation. So, ganun lang din, same sa ginawa natin kay point A tsaka kay point B, ganun din yung gagawin natin kay point C. So, 6 squared plus 2 squared plus 4 plus 6a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0. So, 6 squared is 36, 2 squared is 4, 6a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0. This would be 40 plus 6a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0. And then, nililipat natin si 40 doon. So, 6a plus 2b plus c is equals to negative 40. So, ito na yung ating third equation. And now, we're ready to solve for the system of linear equation. We're just going to rewrite the three equations na nakuha natin from the points. So, we have a plus 2b plus c is equals to negative 5. And then yung second equation natin is 4a plus 6b plus c is equals to negative 52. And then yung last one naman natin is yung 6a plus 2b plus c is equals to negative 40. So, yan. Yan na yung ating tatlong equation na gagamitin sa pag-solve ng system of linear equation. So, ang gagawin nating method ngayon ay elimination since hindi natin pa rin gamitin yung substitution kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Dahil kapag kinuha natin yung value ni A, meron pa rin tayong dalawang variable. Dapat into one variable lang natin nire-represent yung isa pang variable. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is mag-eliminate tayo ng isang variable. And ang pwede natin gawin ay times to sa negative 4 para ma-eliminate natin si variable A. So, yung equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So, yung ating equation 1, ito times natin kay negative 4. So, negative 4 times equation 1 plus equation 2. So, times natin ito sa negative 4. Negative 4 times A, that would be negative 4A. Negative 4 times 2B, that would be negative 8B. Negative 4 times C, that would be negative 4C, is equals to negative 4 times negative 5, that would be 20. So, copy na lang natin yung second equation. 4A plus 6B plus C is equals to negative 52. So, since addition ang ginamit natin dito, pag-a-addit din natin itong dalawang equation na to. So, ang mangyayari, negative 4a plus 4a, makakancel, magiging 0. And then ito naman, magiging negative 2b minus 3c is equals to 20 plus negative 52, that would be negative 32. So, for the next equation naman, since a ang kinancel natin dito, sa susunod natin na dalawang equation na ika-cancel natin, dapat A din yung ika-cancel natin. So, para ma-cancel natin si A, ito namang equation 3 yung gagamitin natin kasi dapat lahat ng equation is magamit natin. So, nagamit na natin itong dalawa, equation 3 na lang, and ipapartner ko lang ulit siya kay equation 1, and then ita-times ko siya sa negative 6 para ma-cancel natin yung A. So, we have negative 6 equation 1 plus equation 3. So, negative 6A minus 12B minus 6C is equals to 30. So, we have 6A, copy na natin yung third equation, plus 2B plus C is equals to negative 40. Now, we're going to eliminate this one, and then we're going to have 10B minus 5C is equals to negative 10. So, yan. The next one, ang gagawin naman natin ay, ito namang dalawa na to ang pagpapartner natin, and mag-eliminate tayo ng isa pang variable para makuha natin. Mag-eliminate tayo ng isa pang variable para makuha na natin yung value ng isang variable. Okay, so, paano ba yon? Ang gagawin naman natin, ito na yung equation 4 natin, and ito naman yung equation 5 natin. So, ito naman yung pagpapartner natin and mag-eliminate tayo. So, paano ba natin ma-eliminate? Ano ba yung eliminate natin? Si 2B ba? Ay si B pa or si C? So, dito para mas madali na eliminate si B, kasi kapag tinayin natin ito kay negative 5, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 10B plus negative 10B, then pag pinag-plus natin sila, makakancel. So, ang gagawin natin, negative 5 equation 4 plus equation 5. So, negative 5 times negative 2, that would be negative, positive. Negative times negative is positive, so we have 10B plus 5 times 3 is equals to 15C. So, negative times negative, 32 times 5, we have 160. So, copy na natin tong equation 5 natin. Negative 10B minus 5C is equals to negative 10. So, makakancel na natin ito ngayon. Ang matitira na lang sa atin is ito. 15 minus 5, that would be 10C. Is equals to 160 minus 10, that would be 150. So, i-divide natin to both by 10 para makuha natin yung value ni C. So, C is equals to 15. So, pwede natin i-write din dito yung answer para makita lang natin. So, C is equals to 15. Ngayon naman, ang kakailanganan nating equation is yung dalawa na to. So, itatabi natin sila dito sa itaas. So, we have here 2B, negative 2B, negative 3C is equals to negative 32. As we have negative 10B, negative 5C is equals to negative 10. So, with that, pwede na natin burahin yung rest. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung value ni C, so pwede na tayong gumamit any of these two equations para makuha natin yung value ni B. So, I think ang gagamitin ko na lang dyan is ito ulit equation na 4 kasi mas mababa yung mga value niya, mas mabilis tayong makapag-solve. So, negative 2B minus 3. Substitute natin yung value ni C is equals to 15 equals negative 32. So, ilipat lang natin dito yung ating constant. So, pag-multiply muna natin to. 2B, 15 times 3 is equals to 45. 32. And then, nililipat natin siya dito. So, we have 2B is equals to negative 32 plus 45. So, ngayon, 2B is equals to negative 32 plus 45, that would be 13. So, negative to, di ba? So, divide natin siya kay negative 2 both. And makukuha natin yung value ni b, which is 13 over negative. Or negative, pwede na natin dito siya ilagay. Negative 13 over 2. So, yan. Sulat natin dito. B is equals to negative 13 over 2. So, for the last one, for our last equation, pwede tayong gumamit ng isa sa mga to. So, gamitin natin to equation 1. So, A plus 2B plus C is equals to negative 5. So, isa-substitute natin yung value na nakuha natin kay B tsaka kay C para makuha natin yung value ni A. So, A, or pwede din muna natin itong ayusin. So, equals negative 5 or simplify. Lipat natin ito dito, magiging negative 2B. Lipat natin ito dito, magiging negative C. So, ito na yung formula natin para makuha natin yung value ni A. So, A is equals to negative 5, negative 2. B is equals to 13 over 2, negative yan, minus 15. So, negative plus negative, that would be negative 20. Minus 2 divided by 2, that would be 1. And then magiging plus. Kasi negative times negative, magiging plus. So, we have 13. So, A is equals to negative 7. So, ito na ngayon yung ating mga value for A, B, C. So, dahil nga word problem ang sinasagutan natin, dapat word din yung ating final answer. So, ano ang final answer natin? So, the value of A is negative 7 and B is negative 13 over 2 and C is 15. So, ayan na yung ating final na answer. So, now let's move to problem number 3. So, first, let's read and analyze the problem. At the fruit market, apple costs $3, each and oranges cost $2. A customer buys a total of 12 fruits and spent exactly $28. How many apples and how many oranges did the customer purchase? So, A, apples. Let's represent apples into variable A. And oranges into variable O. So, we have apples is $3. So, 3A plus O, or let's represent it by Y. Y equals $28 yung nagastos niya. So, since money to, so sa money din natin siya i-partner. So, 28. So, now, ang missing natin is A plus Y equals to 28. So, ito yung nahanap natin, si A at si Y. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay elimination. So, i-eliminate ko dito si Y. So, ita-times natin itong first equation kay, 12 to. So, times natin itong first equation second equation kay negative 2 para lang ma-eliminate natin. So, 3A plus 2Y is equals to 28. Negative 2 times A is equals to negative 2A. Negative 2Y equals to negative 2 times 12, that would be negative 24. So, maka-cancel na natin to. We have A is equals to 28 plus negative 24, that would be 4. So, nakuha na agad natin yung value ni A or yung total ng apple na binili niya. ng customers. So, we have answer here. A is equals to 4. Next one, solve natin si O. So, meron tayong equation na 3A plus 2y equals to 28 and A plus y is equals to 12. So, ito na lang din yung gamitin natin para mas mabilis. Substitute lang natin yung value ni A. So, that would be 4 plus y is equals to 12. So, gamit tayo ng addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality and then magiging 12 minus 4. Y is equals to 8. So, yung final answer natin, therefore, the customer purchased 8 oranges and 4 apples. So, let's now have the problem number 4. So, L, Julie, and Amber are going to shop for clothes at the same store. L spends $45 for 2 shirts, 1 jeans, and 1 hat. Julia spends $80 for 1 shirt, 3 jeans, and 1 hat. Amber spends $80 for 4 shirts, 2 jeans. Find the value of each type of clothing item. So, ang hanapin natin yung value ng shirt, jeans, and ng hat. So, we have the first equation. Shirt is equals to X. Jeans is equals to Y. And hat is equals to H. So now, we have 2 shirts, 2X, plus 1 jeans, Y, plus 1 hat, H, is equals to $45. The next one, we have 1 shirt, plus 3 jeans, plus 1 hat, is equals to $80. So, Amber also spent $80, but she only bought shirt and jeans. So, we have 4X plus 2Y. So, ngayon, meron agad tayong equation into 2 variables. So, pwede na tayong eliminate dito ng age para magkaroon tayo ng kamukhang 2 variables dito sa ating linear equation into 2 variables. So, times lang natin to negative 1 para magkaroon tayo ng negative dito and makancel natin si age. So, equation 1 to, equation 2, equation 3. So, equation 1 plus negative 1 equation 2. I-copy muna natin yung equation 1. So, 2x plus y plus h is equals to 45. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times 3y, negative 3y. Negative 1 times h, negative h. Negative 1 times 45, times 80, negative 80. So now, cancel natin to. So, ang matitira na lang sa atin ay x minus 2y is equals to negative 35. So, meron na tayong another equation. Ngayon, gagamitin natin to dito sa ating equation 3 para makuha na natin yung value ng isang variable. So, rewrite muna natin siya. So, we have x minus 2y equals negative 35. So, isip tayo ngayon pwede natin i-multiply para makancel natin yung isang variable. Pero as you can see naman dito sa ating dalawang linear equation, into two variables. Pwede na natin agad i-cancel si y variable kapag pinag-add natin to. So, cancel na to. Ang matitira na lang ay 5x is equals to 45. So, divide natin siya both by 5. X is equals to 9. So, sulat ulit natin dito yung answer natin. X is equals to 9. Then, we're going to solve for y. So, pwede natin gamitin to. Equation na to. 4x plus 2y is equals to 80. So, ang value ng x is 9. 4 times 9 plus 2y equals 80. So, 4 times 9, that would be 36. So, 36 plus 2y is equals to 80. So, lilipat natin to dito. 2y is equals to 80 minus 36. 2y is equals to 80 minus 36, that would be 44. 2. Then, y is equals to 22. So, meron na tayong value ni y. So, for the next one, ang kukuhanin natin is the value ni age. So, gamitin na natin itong second equation natin. So, meron na tayong value ni x. So, we have 9 plus 3. May value na din tayo ni y. 3 times 22. And then, plus age is equals to 80. So, 3 times 22 is 66. Plus 9. Plus age is equals to 80. So, 9 plus 66. 75. So, age is equals to 80. Ilipat natin itong dalawa na to. Minus 9 minus 66. Age is equals to 80 minus 75. Age is equals to 5. So, yan. Na yung ating mga value ng ating variable. So, for the last one, we're going to write our final answer. So, final answer na tayo. So, that the value, therefore, the value of each, the value of shirt costs $9. Jeans costs $22. And the hat costs $5. So, ayun na yung ating 4 problems about system of linear equation.